So we has the iX35. See, the tyres are not too bad, getting a bit worn. 3mm there, 3.4, and I'll just calibrate the gauge so it's calibrated. 3.7, 3.6, so not too bad. They are getting a bit worn, however on the front, but you can see the bits have just perished there, so you can see it's like the rubber's all perished and the grease is coming out it, so that's going to want changed. This one's the same. There's quite a few Kias doing this now, so that one's actually a bit worse actually, so the grease is all coming out of that one there, so we're going to need to put 2 track rod ends on it. The brake pads and discs on the front, they're fairly new. There's a bit of corrosion on the metal pipes there, not too bad. Oh, we're okay up there as well, I've checked up there. Okay up there as well, we've checked up there. This fiddle as well, you can see it's a wee bit corroded on the pipe there, but it's not too bad. So again, new pads and discs. So 2 new track rod ends on there. Looks like grease is starting coming out the prop joint as well. It's interesting. Yeah, there's no nipples on them to re-grease them, so that will want done eventually as well. Centre bearing, it's okay for the time being. Flex disc, it's okay, it doesn't look too cracked and perished, however the diff has started leaking. These are weighed, if I remember right, to actually fill them. You need to weigh them. But if we look here, this suspension arm here has completely given up. It's actually burst there, and if you look at that tyre, it's completely bald on that inner edge, whereas this one here is perfect. So we are going to need to get a couple of bits on this car before we go for test. So for me, we need to change this arm, so when you can see that is aligned there as well, okay? So we're going to need to do 2 track rod ends, this little, we'll call it a dog bone, and it'll all need aligned as well. So the trailing arm bush as well is getting a bit crap on it. You can see it's starting to separate for the collar there. I'll put a wee lever in, just inspect it a bit further. Same with that one, so we'll pause here and we'll go with this bad boy. Now it's no ridiculous, you know, don't be saying, oh, no wonder you moved that bush. You got a 2-foot pole on it. Thanks, I can't even get in there to check that, but I can see it's knackered, okay? I can see it's knackered to here, so what we went up to is these trailing arm bushes. So we're going to put some force on them. Let's see what happens. So you can see it there, that bush is giving up. It's not got any excessive movement in it, and it hasn't failed completely. So for me, should just be an advisory on that one at the minute. It's getting a little bit corroded here as well, but you know, obviously you're not meant to chap it with this. I'm not chapping, I'm just having a wee podger. Same on this side again. This one's maybe a little bit worse actually. But again, it should be okay for test at the time being. Yeah, it's not completely failed on it, but it is getting a bit there. It's getting a bit. Yeah, there's still, the bush is still attached, so it should just be advised, that one. So that dog bone there is all perished as well. So we'll put the vehicle down. I have inspected both springs as well. That one I've peeled the paint that was coming off it just to see. This one's a bit better. I don't see any breaks in the springs. Subframes are all getting a bit corroded on them. It's just Scotland that causes this, so it could be done with getting blasted and painted, or a new one. But to be honest, it's solid enough for now. Anti-roll bar links, I've checked them as best we can. Brake pipes look okay. A little scrape there. Yeah, looks okay. Same up here. These are coated, so yeah, so all right up there. So anti-roll bar links is really the only thing we can't really check on the car, just with the weight on the vehicle. So and what I will do now is I will put this down and I'll check this on the deck with the weight on it, and I'll show you that. So you've all seen, I've shown you that bush on the back there that's split, and the tyre that's worn. I've shaken the wheels with the weight off the vehicle with the vehicle lifted. Interesting, that noise, eh? So, and we've not found any play. But the way you should check the vehicle in an MOT is you should check it in its normal running position, and jacked as well. But that's where a lot of people fall down. They don't check it with the weight on the vehicle. So if you actually shake this wheel now, you know, obviously I'm here, I'm shaking it, I can feel the play now. So, but yet with the vehicle jacked up, there was no play. but we could see the tyre was all worn, so we knew there was an issue there. So thanks for watching. Haven't already, hit the thumbs up, hit that big subscribe, look down there, hit the button, and have a great day, okay?